Hello. Do you aspire to run a coaching business? You've invested loads in training to be a coach, but you're struggling to get going? It can be really frustrating and confusing when you're starting out a coaching business. My name is Jonathan. I've been a coach and a coaching supervisor for over 20 years. I've trained hundreds of people to coach and to be manager coaches. I know how challenging it is. You set up a website in the hope that that will attract customers to you. But in the end, you realise that it's far more complicated than this. I want to help you to set up a sales system that will attract the clients to you that are the very people that you set out to reach in the first place. I watched a video similar to this and I pressed the link that you'll find below this one. It took me to a landing page where I provided some basic information. They then sent me to some workshops which I want to send you. These helped me to get started. They showed me what was available within the digital age that we live. When we look at all the tools that are available, we really don't know which way to go. I want to help you by providing all the information you need to get you started. I want to do this in a number of ways. I first want to link you to a presentation which is about how to launch an income generating online marketing system. I believe this will help you to understand what you need to set up to make your coaching business effective. I'll then send directly to your inbox some links to a variety of workshops which will help you to understand what's available and the opportunities that exist for people like you within the digital marketplace. The best coaches are not always the most successful. The reality is the successful coaches are those that overcome their doubt, that set up the systems which will draw the clients to their business. I want to work with you to help you to develop an effective sales system which will draw to your business the clients that you so desire to work with. After all, you've put so much hard work in training to be a coach, in learning how to do that. It would be a shame not to take that next step that's so needed in order to make the business effective. So press the link, you'll find it above and below. That'll then take you to my page where I'll ask for some basic information. Please provide that because that will enable me to effectively help you to move forward. I'm looking forward to meeting you on the other side. Thank you.